Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking at how to make a map that takes only 5 minutes. I'm not sure if this is practical, but there is a very nice you type in an address or a location here, and then it generates a map for you like this. So if you are looking for a 5-minute map, then probably this will be a very good example for you to make. And if you click on the GitHub icon, it takes you to their app.py, which basically give a structure of how it is deployed on Streamlit. And it's a pretty simple code, but it looks a bit more comprehensive, I think. I think basically it's used a form of location intelligence, or has a location address, and then once you put in the address, it geocodes and then it starts to create the map for you. So that is how it works. We will just go straight to the plugin. The default location is here, but let's see, I want to make something like Amsterdam, and then it will take some time for me to create a map. So not take so much time depending on your area of interest or location. It's also, while we wait for the output, it's also good to know that you also have the possibility to display a title, to change it to rectangle, adjust them. Maybe here we can put this one as the altar, and then here we can make it rectangle. We can choose to display a title, we can choose not to. And then we can also adjust where we want to put the title, and then also in terms of contour colors, the map width, title rotation. And then every time we make any adjustment, we can just press the submit button. We get the new output. It's also important to note that you can export the output as a GeoJSON, or even export the map configuration, or you can even just copy this if you also want to use it for your own work. It's possible to embed it in any Python code. And now you can see that we made our own rectangle. I think I made it twice, so the second one is overlaying on the first one. But of course, if you are doing it, just make sure that you select this before you press submit, and the name is also changed, and then you have the OpenStreet map tag here. So that is it for today. You can post this, and then you can tag the guys who made it. I think it's really nice that they came up with something very easy to